Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. I've adjusted the internal waves here of this red wave 2 that we had already in place, given the latest increase here. ADA has now reached a critical resistance level. Yeah, it has reached basically the 78.6% FIB level, which is at 47.8 cents of that wave 1 down here. So the the FIB level has now been reached, and it got rejected for now. And I've adjusted the internals to suggest that this is actually an ABC pattern that is unfolding on the ADA chart, and we can count now 5 waves to the upside as complete or near enough complete, and we just need to be ready for a potential decline. So this would be a 1, 2, 3, which is think 3, 4, and this then the wave 5. Yeah, of course, a wave 2 can push higher, and again, as I always say, you know, a trend is your friend until the end. This is certainly a short-term uptrend here. You can use that trend line to, let's say, understand more clearly when the trend gets broken. We have something in place like an ascending wedge here, an ascending broadening wedge, which is generally a fairly rare pattern, but generally a bearish pattern. So just be on the lookout here for a potential breakout to the downside. Of course, it could go up. Yeah, as long as you don't break the lower trend line, basically you have to assume you're in an uptrend. You're in a trend as long as you're making higher highs, higher lows. Therefore, a signal that this uptrend is over is first of all a break below this ascending trend line plus the break of the previous wave 4 low, because as soon as you make a first lower low, you basically have broken the trend. So there's a key level against which we're operating here, and if that level is broken, it would indicate that here a wave 3 is on the way. Messy price action as the entire crypto market at the moment. If we make it above that wave 2 high, then we could first look at the possibility that this entire triangle count that we have on the chart here may need to be extended. So I think it's A, B, C, D, E, where you would expect to break out of the triangle to the downside. Now, based on this count, we haven't invalidated anything here yet. Yeah. If we push any higher than the 49-cent level, as I said, then it would rather suggest that possibly this wave E was not finished yet. And I might need to move the D across. That's all possible. Or we have to move that wave 2 in white across. So at the moment, these are the key resistance levels I gave you. You have the current one, 47.8, and then 49. And really only above 52.4 we would invalidate, not even invalidate the triangle due to the structure here. As I said, we could push the wave E over, and we would still be in that Elliott wave triangle. I mean, you can basically push to the upper resistance level here that you can see at 56 cents. Yeah. And even if you break above that, from an Elliott wave point of view, you would need to break above wave C to at least invalidate the triangle as it currently is, which is at 59.4 cents. And to completely invalidate the triangle, you need to take out the wave A high at 68 cents. So ADA reacted to the support down here, and it's just rallying a little bit. But it's nothing at the moment that would make a very bullish impression. Of course, as I always say, we have not invalidated the bullish scenario, but the whole chart since the June low is a mess, and it would, I'm getting into the camp of saying it would be healthier for ADA to make a new low, but technically it doesn't really need one. It doesn't need one. Support did hold so far, and we haven't broken below that 42-cent level that I showed you in my bullish scenario. So the bullish count still intact, but the last dips just weren't healthy for ADA. So I'm still focusing on down. Again, 49 cents. And if we get above that level, next target would be the 52.4 cent level. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.